session. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with a very interesting video for you guys, and this is all about the plum goodness, as you guys already know. And they have amazing products, and even they have lots of offers going on. So I'm going to talk about their 6th birthday, which they are celebrating this month, and they have amazing offer for all of you. Like, if you're shopping from their website, you are getting lots of goodies, and they have amazing offers for each one of their customers. So I'm going to talk about the offer at the end of this video, but now let's see what's there, and I'm going to review some products for you guys, so keep on watching. So first I'm going to talk about the green tea range of Plum Goodness in details. Even I'm going to show how the texture is and how you can use it. First, let me open this stuff. Here you can see all the amazing products out here, all the cute mini little travel editions, and I absolutely love it. The packaging is superb, and you know, like, this was really thoughtful. I really enjoy such kind of amazing packaging. So first I'm going to talk about the green tea range, like what green tea will do to your skin. So here, this is the cover in which it's already written like green tea skincare kit for oily, acne prone skin. As you can see, like, I'm going to put a close over here, so you can see all the things are already mentioned in the box itself, and they have every details at the back as well, like the price details and how much quantity you are getting. So green tea is basically amazing for your oily skin, and this product works amazingly for oily skin, for acne prone skin, even people who has lot of acne marks and even the pimples on their face, they can even use this. So Plum has got lot of goodness, and we are going to talk about what it contains and do they have chemicals or not. So yes, let's go into this part. So Plum has 1% from the plant members, and even it is cruelty free, not animal tested, like, which is amazing. By the way, I always, you know, love product which is non-animal tested because it's cruelty free anyways. 100% vegan, which is like amazing because I always go for vegan products, and I know like many of you these days reaching for vegan products, so you can trust Plum for any of their products, and they have lot more goodness. You can just go and check it out on their website. Like, as I said, they are running a lot of amazing deals, and you're going to just love it because they have amazing goodies for every one of you. So now let's talk about the products. I was talking about the green tea range. First I'm going to talk about the face wash, and now I'm going to use this and show you how the texture looks like, and I'm going to talk through all the things, like whatever I'm experiencing while using. So yes, let's go and try this out. So as you can see, this is how the tube looks like. And this is like a gel thingy. It has some granules in it, which is going to exfoliate your skin as well. So let's just massage this in, and you can see it lathers up really well like a foam. So this is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, which has a very mild smell, which is amazing, very refreshing. So this is perfect for combination skin, oily skin and acne prone skin. And the next one, I'm going to talk about the toner, and this is again the green tea alcohol free toner. This is the amazing alcohol free toner, and normally I don't like to use a product which has alcohol in it. So this is amazing thing because alcohol does damage our skin, in like, you won't get to know that in the starting, but after some time it does. So you know, like, having an alcohol free product is one of the plus. So yes, let's use this, and I'm going to show you how the texture looks like. So I've just taken 8 to 10 drops, and yeah, I'm just going to dab this on my face now. And the texture of this is watery. It has no alcohol, so it's really amazing. And now we'll go with the moisturizer. So this is the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer, and this is perfect for daily daytime wear because there is another night cream you have, night gel kind of thing. So this is perfect for daytime. Like, there is nothing really mentioned on the back of the product, but yes, it does say day, like AM. So perfect for daytime, I believe. And then we have the Plum Night Moisturizer. And then we have the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So it's time for the night gel. Let's try it on. And this has a transparent gel-like formula, as you can see already. Like, this is a perfect everyday kind of a routine, and I'm surely going to get my hands on the larger size of this green tea range because I'm super satisfied with the feel of my face. Like, I feel it's too hydrating and I really like it. And the last but not the least from this range, we have the facial mask. So this is the Plum Clear Face Mask, and let's see what this has to say. Gentle control acne, check sebum level, clears deeply, all this plus an instant glow. So guys, this was the green tea range. Now we'll see what's written back here. A complete 5-step skincare regime for oily, acne prone skin with the goodness of organic green tea extracts. So you're going to receive this green tea travel kit with your 1999 rupees of purchase. Like, if you're ordering like more than 1999, like 2000 plus, so you're surely going to get this green tea travel kit for you. And yeah, now let's move on to the other product as well. And now let's take a look on the next product, which is the Plum Chamomile and White Tea. This is another glow getter face mask, which is absolutely amazing. Like, it smells amazing. So now let's see what Plum has to say about this product in their cardboard packaging. A hard-working lot, be it after a day in the sun, after party, or a weekend detox. The carefully selected mixture of clay, antioxidant and other pathonutrient in the clay mask works hard to get the glow back to your face. And you can see all the other informations are even there in this packaging. This is again cruelty free and even 100% vegan. As you guys already know, this is the packaging. This has a very nice monochromed plum written over here, orange color packaging, and let's see what's inside this. And this is how the packaging looks like. It has a glass bottle and the lid is white. And this has a very mild fragrance. I absolutely love the smell of this. So the product contains 60 grams of product in here, and the amount of this product is 490 rupees. And the shelf life of this product is 24 months. So yeah, let's try this on. So texture of this is also very smooth. Now this is definitely giving me that tingling effect. It's not burning, but yes, it has that tingling effect. So I'm going to keep this for 20 to 30 minutes as the brand suggests. So yeah, then we'll just wash it off. And the last product I'm going to talk about is the famous Plum Kajal. Like, I wanted to get my hands on this ever since I know about this product, like from super long, and finally I have this in my hand right now and I'm super excited to talk about this product. So this is the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, and you can see this is smudge proof, waterproof, all day 2-in-1 Kohl cum eyeliner, and this is again 100% vegan and 100% preservative free. So the shelf life of this product is 30 months, and this product cost for rupees 495, and even you can see there is a sharpener free worth rupees 150 rupees. So you can see this is how you can open it. You have to just peel it off from here. And this is what we have it inside. As you can see, this is a sharpener with a very beautiful sharpener case, and you have to just open it like this. And this is super cute. As you can see, this is even having this kind of thingy, which is like very easy to clean your sharpener just after sharpening the pencil. And this is how the kajal looks. It's a basic packaging, just like a crayon pencil packaging. It's all purple, plum is written, and to know the color, you have this black color right here, and as you can see, everything is written over here on the pencil itself, so you know when it's going to get expired, how long you can use it. So now let's see how the pigmentation is. My goodness, that's literally one swipe, and you can see it's definitely very black. And as you have seen, this glides on very smoothly. I'm going to even test it on my eyes and show you guys. So now let's see, as they claim, it is really smudge proof or not. You can see guys, it did not smudge or budge like at all. You can see that, like, this is real time. You can absolutely see it's not smudging. So yes, this is 100% smudge proof kajal, as it's already proofed in front of you guys. So I'm going to apply this and show you now. So guys, now let's talk about the offer. As I said in the beginning of this video, they have amazing offers and I'm going to talk to you about the offers. So yes, this is Plum's 6th birthday month offer going on, in which you are getting up to 40% off on their website on plumgoodness.com. You can see it right here. And then we have best selling Plum Kajal free on the purchase of 1299 plus, and the green tea travel kit is also free on purchase of 1999, which is 1999 plus. If you order, you're surely going to get this green tea travel kit, and even they have surprise goodies for every buyer. Like if you are shopping on their website, as you can see on my screen right here, you're getting a lot of amazing deals, many offers and lots of surprise goodies. So you can just go and check it out on the description box. I have every details in there. You can follow their pages and even go to their website. You can get all the ideas of every product they have. They have very wide range of product for all skin type, for combination, oily, dry, normal. Everyone has something to buy, and you know, their products are amazing. As I said, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are really amazing on your skin. And I hope this review and the demo was helpful for you guys to choose and pick your products. So if you want to buy anything, you can just go in the description box, you'll find the links. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. See you very soon with a new video. Till then, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, if this was informative for you. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and that's it. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.